Welcome back. In last tutorial we started Eyedropper tool, and today we are going to complete this tool. Next is sample layer option. Here we have 6 layers: background layer, yellow flower, red flower, green, butterfly and leaves. The leaves layer is selected now. Here the sample layer option is set to all layers. Let's click on the red flower. It selects red color. Now I click on yellow. It selects yellow. Then I click on this leaves. It selects green. Now I click at this blank area of the layers palette to deselect the layer. Again I click on the red flower. It selects red color. I click on the background. It selects the background color. Means when all layers option is selected, it selects the color from all the layers whether any layer is selected or not. Now I set it to current layer. Then I click on the red flower. It does not select. Yellow, green. You can see it does not select any color because the current layer option needs at least one layer to be selected. So let's select the red rose. Click on the red flower. It selects red color. Then I click on green leaves. It does not work. Sunflower. It does not work because they are not selected. Click on this white from the selected layer. Foreground turns white. Now I am going to click on this yellow from butterfly. Notice carefully. Instead of yellow, it selects red from the rose. Because the rose belongs to the current layer which is just below the butterfly. If you want to sample the color of the butterfly, you need to select the butterfly layer. Next is current and below. This sample option allows to select the current layer and all the layers below the current layer. For this, I select the green layer. Now, click to sample from the background layer. The foreground color changes. Click on red, green. You can see it selects the color. Let's select from the butterfly layer. It does not select. From leaves layer, it does not select because these are above the current layer. Next is all layers no adjustments. To understand this, we need an adjustment layer. Later we shall learn about the adjustment layer in detail. But for now, we shall use a small example. You can find the new adjustment layer here at the bottom of the layers palette, or go to layer menu, new adjustment layer, choose one of the option. I am going to choose invert adjustment layer. You can name it. OK. You can see the invert adjustment layer here. It inverts the colors of the image. Let's select any of the original layers. I select the red layer. Now if I click here, it does not select the blue color which is caused by the adjustment layer. Instead it selects the original yellow. Here also, instead of cyan color, it selects the original red. On the leaves also, it selects the original green, not the violet. Next we have current and below, no adjustments. Let's select the red layer, means it is the current layer now. If I click on this rose, which belongs to the current layer, it samples the original red instead of cyan color. We have two layers below the current layer. One is the yellow and another is the background layer. First I click on this blue, but it selects the original yellow. Then I click on this white from the background. It selects the original background color. But this option will not allow to select anything above the current layer. If I click on the butterfly, it selects the color from the red rose behind it. Because butterfly is above the current layer and the red rose belongs to the current layer. Now I click on this leaf which is above the current layer, but you can see it samples the color from the background which is below the current layer. Let's have a quick comparison between last three options. All layers. This option allows to select the exact color shown on screen from all the layers, whether it's a normal layer or an adjustment layer, whether any layer is selected or not. All layers, no adjustments. This option allows to select the original color from all the layers, not the exact color shown on screen due to the adjustment layer. And remember, you must select any of the original layers. Current and below, no adjustments. This option works similar to the all layers, no adjustments. The only difference is it will not select anything above the current layer. That's all I have for this class. See you next time.